is homogeneous. Look at my set equal to curly brace 1 comma 2 dot 0 comma 3 plus 4j comma 3 plus 4j. This is a Python interpreter where you cannot clear it. The only way you check it clear is that I need to keep pressing enter. That I will do in the next command. Okay, so I am purposefully putting false. Okay, not giving true. I will tell you the reason later. If it gets accepted, what does that mean?
It's heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
So since Gokul asked, so let us type set is a heterogeneous data structure. Since Gokul asked, I am pressing enter to clear the screen. Okay, good. Now what is my set? What do you see actually? How did I define? This is how I have defined. But how am I seeing it now? Is it in the same order as that of the way in which I have defined?
No.
Order change.
So what does it mean then? This is like watching a cricket match in a stadium. What does it mean? If you watch a movie, then A5 is the ticket number. You're supposed to sit only in A5, A row, 5th position. Whereas you have got a D standard ticket, you can go and sit anywhere in the D standard in a cricket stadium. What is that called as? Guys, what is that called as?
Random order.
What is the 5th question?
Positional.
Positional disposition.
So my set is a dispositional one. You guys are able to understand that? Okay? Yeah, anyway. So set, maybe I will explain to you later. So now set is a heterogeneous. What is the third question? Data fetching mechanism. I am putting my set of 0. Unfortunately, I am seeing an error. What does that mean? Look at this carefully. Set neither uses index nor uses key for fetching the data. Actually, individual set elements can never be accessed. That is the shortcoming of set. Individually, you cannot access it. Then what is the workaround? What is the solution for that? You need to loop through using for or while, preferably for. Okay. So if you want to access, if you want to locate the elements of a list, element of a set, then you should loop through. That is the only option. Okay. So the syntax of the set is curly brace, and then it does not follow any index based on all. It is a heterogeneous. What is the fourth question, guys?
Mutable or immutable.
Right. Now what is my set? This is what is my set. Now I am going to say my set dot add of 1000. It has got accepted. Now my set has become this guy. So I am able to add. Then what does that mean? Set is a
Mutable.
mutable. Yes, I am able to modify. Good. And then what is the fifth question? Fifth question.
Positional or disposition.
Yeah, for that I have already showed you the output, but anyway, my set 1 equal to 1 comma 2, my set 2 equal to 2 comma 1. Now I'm going to check my set 1 equal to my set 2. If it returns true, what does that mean? If it returns true, what does that mean?
Dispositional.
It says true. What does that mean? Set does not care about the index. The easiest way to remember is that, can you guys tell me what is the set for, how to say that? You are tossing a coin, right? Tail to expected tail. What is the probability? It is 1 by 2. What is the 2 actually? The total set, right? People will put something like a H comma T. You can say H comma T or T comma H. Both are same only in mathematics, right? So set is a dispositional. set elements are dispositional. What is the sixth question? Call by value or call by reference. Now I put my set 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me put the ID of my set 1 to understand the memory address. Now I put my set 2 equal to my set 1. I'm assigning it. I'm putting ID of my set 1, which is this guy. I'm putting my set 2, it's the same thing. Now I'm modifying. Now, yesterday we discussed, right? I could not recollect whom I referred. Was it Shantala and Sushmita? Right? Sushmita is the original set. Shantala is copying. Now Shantala is going to modify her answer by saying my set to dot add 10,000. Now what is my set to? 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas if I put my set 1, will it be changed or what? Will my set 1 be
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look at this.
Will be changed.
And
Okay, yeah, okay, it is
Referenced.
changed. Yeah.
Okay.
Reference, yeah.
So if same memory address, then most probably you change one guy, other guy will also get changed. This is like a same physical body, but you will have superstar as a name, Rajnikant as the name. Two names pointed to the same physical body, right? Because they all point to the same memory address, right? So you change one guy. If Rajnikant wears like a green color shirt, then both Rajnikant wears green color shirt as well as the great superstar also wears the green color shirt. Because there is one body, two names. Here one value, two names. You modify that value, both the ways will get changed. So set follows call by
Reference.
reference while copying via assignment operator. Guys, clear? All the answers for the 6 questions of set, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I want to hear more yes, more no.
Yes.
Why are you guys not speaking? Subhashri, Suchitra, Sumukh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
right? Why don't you guys unmute yourself and speak up? Right? Only 30%
Yes,
of
sir.
you speaking. Arun,
Okay, sir.
all of you should be very active. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
See, unfortunately I am not teaching you by looking at your face. Okay, if I look at your face as a teacher, I will be able to understand whether you have gotten it or not. Now everything is through your voice only, being a Google Meet. So your voice is the index for me. Face is not the index. Voice is the index. So tell me, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir. I did not get it, sir. I have a question, sir. I'm not able to understand. Can you please rephrase that? Can you please simplify that, sir? Can you give me one more real-time example, sir? Can you give me one analogy, sir? This is what the company, sir. This is what I'm working. They are doing this way, sir. Should I store it as a set, sir, or a tuple, sir? Initiate some discussion, okay? Converse with me. Okay. Now, I want to understand the methods associated with a set. What is the command for that? DAR of my set. Okay. Interestingly, as I was telling, my set is a giant family. Okay. So there will be small nucleus families will be there. So it is not a nucleus family, right? So I need to have my set 1. So I need to have at least 2 families. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my set 2 equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is the first one? Add. We have already learned. If I say my set 1 dot add, that will be added. Clear will do what? Clear will do what?
It will clear the elements.
Remove
Remove of all the values. That is what we learned in list as well as the other things, right? So clear the same way. Copy. What kind of copy is this? What kind of copy is this? How many of you remember in list?
Shallow copy.
Shallow copy. What is shallow copy? What is deep copy? I will explain you in the later classes. Okay. Now let us focus on completing the data structure. Okay, it is going to be that, like this thing. Okay, let us see. Look at this. My set 3 equal to 1, 2, 3 for simplistic, right? So my set 4 equal to my 3 dot copy. Okay. Now my set 3, 1, 2, 3. My set 4, 1, 2, 3. ID of my set 3, some value. ID of my set 4, different value. If it is a different value, that itself is giving you the clue.